Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to add a sub item in Monday.com. So if you're working on Monday.com and if you need to add a sub item, this is what you need to do and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you will be redirected to a home page. And here you can see there are a lot of projects that you're working on. You have to open any of the project that you find suitable to work on, and will be good to go. For example, this is the project that uh, we can actually work on. Now, if we want to add a sub item here, what do we need to do? Let me just tell you how to add a sub item. Nope, this is not the way. This is for a column. We need to come here and we need to double click here. And here it is, add sub item. So we have added a sub item to this editing item. And once when you open a sub item, you can see that you can write the name of the sub item. You can also assign an owner to it. You can also assign a status to it, a status to the sub item. You know, what will be the status? Uh, that is it stuck, you're still working on, and the date as well, which is very important. And this is how you actually make a sub item. And let me just tell you once again, why do we use sub items? Sub items are mostly used when a specific task gets very complicated, and if you need to make it easier to work on, if you need to make it less complex as it is, then sub items are added. You can add sub items to each and every, I would say, item that you have here. It's not necessary that you can only add it to one, and you can also add more than one sub items as well. You know, if you need to add more sub items, you can do that. You can click here, add another, and then you can add another, then you can add another. You can also assign owner or teams to these sub items as well, and status and the dates, just like I mentioned before. So this was it. This was how you add a sub item. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.